Hello and welcome to a new episode of English Path. My name is your host, and I am so happy to have you here today. This podcast is created for beginners, specifically for levels A1 and A2. Our goal is to help you understand English by listening to simple, slow, and clear conversations. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very important topic: daily routines and time management. Why is this important? Because we talk about our daily lives every single day. So sit back, relax, and let's start our journey. Let's start with the morning. What do you do when you wake up? Most people say, I wake up at 7 a.m. But let's add more details to make your English better. First, I wake up. Then, I get out of bed. There is a difference between waking up and getting out of bed. After that, I go to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. Do you drink coffee or tea? Next, I take a shower and brush my teeth. Brushing your teeth is very important for health. Then I get dressed. If I am going to work, I wear formal clothes. If it is the weekend, I wear something comfortable like a t-shirt and jeans. Finally, I have breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it gives you energy. Now, let's talk about the middle of the day. Many of you are students or employees. When you are at work, you might say, I am very busy. But you can also say, I have a lot on my plate today. This is a common idiom in English. During my workday, I check my emails and attend meetings. If you are learning English, maybe you spend 1 hour every day studying. This is a great habit. Remember, consistency is the key to success. You don't need to study for 5 hours in one day. It is better to study for 20 minutes every single day. What do you do for lunch? I usually have a sandwich or a salad at my desk. Sometimes I go out with my colleagues. It's a good time to relax and talk about things that are not related to work. The sun is going down and the workday is finished. What happens next? I head home. This means I go home. When I arrive, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and put on my pajamas. In the evening, I like to unwind. To unwind means to relax after a long day. Some people like to watch TV shows on Netflix. Others prefer to read a book or listen to music. For me, I enjoy cooking dinner. It is like a hobby. I try new recipes every week. After dinner, I spend time with my family or talk to my friends on the phone. Before I go to sleep, I reflect on my day. I think about what I did well and what I can do better tomorrow. Then I turn off the lights and go to bed at around 10:30 p.m. A good night's sleep is essential for a productive tomorrow. Now, let's review some of the new words we used today. 1. To get out of bed. Moving from the bed to start your day. 2. To get dressed. Putting on your clothes. 3. A lot on my plate. Being very busy with many tasks. 4. To unwind. To relax and release stress. 5. Consistency. Doing something regularly. The listening challenge. I will say 3 sentences very quickly. Try to write them down or repeat them. Sentence 1. I usually wake up early to exercise. Sentence 2. My sister prefers tea over coffee in the morning. Sentence 3. We had a very long meeting this afternoon. How did you do? If it was difficult, don't worry. You can go back and listen again. That is the beauty of a podcast. We have reached the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning about daily routines. Speaking about your day is the best way to practice your English. Before we go, I have a small request. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. Also, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite part of the day? Is it the morning or the evening? Thank you for listening to English Path. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.